What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. Today we are repainting the valve covers on the BMW. We are painting them red. I'm here at Radar Auto Body. I already filmed the prepping and the sanding of the valve covers, so I'm going to insert it right now. We are going to put down our first layer of primer right now and then do our paint. We are painting them red with a polished out look on the top. There are little notches on the top. I'll show you what I mean right now. So all this right here, where it says BMW and everything, is going to be all polished out, and everything else is going to be red. I'm pretty excited to see what the final product is going to look like. I will keep you guys updated throughout the process. I'm here with my dad. He's going to be showing me how to paint. I've already painted a few things throughout my years and throughout the time he's been working here. So I would like to shout out Radar Auto Body right now for allowing us to use the booth and some of the material. We appreciate it very much, and let's get to it. So I apologize if the footage is going to come out a little weird. We are going to put a little protectant on the lens right now, so I don't get any overspray on the top of my lens. So if it turns out a little weird, that is why, but I'm gonna still film it and still put it in the vlog just so you guys get to see the whole process of what I'm about to do here. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you at the paint. I am vlogging on my phone now as the camera is set up inside the booth, but I'm about to put down the first layer of primer down, and then after that we can do our paint and then clear coat, and then we're all done. So hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Missing someone. So we have just put down 2 layers of primer. One was an etch to attach to the aluminum. Then we have to put a different primer on top of that so the paint will stick to the primer. So right now it's just drying. The primer is just about dry. We're gonna put on our first layer of paint, and then we're gonna go from there. So far it's going good. Sorry I'm not looking at the lens. I'm busy looking at my face. Sorry, can't help myself. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying so far. Is as normal, missing someone. So we just put the last layer of paint down on the valve covers. I'm still vlogging on my phone as the camera is still covered up and everything, so I don't want to uncover it, only because I have to cover it back up again. But it's currently on the dry cycle right now. Once that's done, we're going to sand down the part where I want polished, and then we're going to give it a quick clear coat, and that's it for the day. It's going to be a smaller vlog today. I apologize for that, but I do have stuff to do after this. I have a Christmas party to go to for my work. So shorter vlog, hopefully it's still good enough to entertain you guys. It'd help me out if you push the subscribe button. You can follow all my builds going on currently with the BMW and the 370. I currently have a plan or something gonna be on order soon for the 370. Hopefully a couple things, we'll see. But like I said, subscribe down below and you guys will be able to follow the builds and see everything that goes on. So hope you guys are enjoying so far, and I'll check back in with you guys later when the dry cycle's done.
Later.
Just gotta add a layer of clear coat now. This is kind of what the finished product's gonna look like. So we just sanded down the red off of the part where I wanted polished, and then now we are going to put the last clear coat on. So I'm gonna let my dad do that. This is where I don't really want to mess up, because if we mess up then we gotta redo it all, right? So no more iPhone footage. I finally got my camera back. We just finished the last clear coat. We are just letting it bake one more time, and then we're gonna give you final footage. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. It was a small, easy day. I wish I got to do more today, but like I said earlier in this vlog, I have a Christmas party to go to. But maybe tomorrow I'm gonna have a lot more to do. I'm gonna have a lot more spare time. Me and Matt do plan on going climbing, so another vlog again to be released tomorrow. Well, actually this one will be tomorrow, the next one will be Monday. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll get 2 out tomorrow. I'm not too sure. Catch you guys at the finished product. Actually, before I send you to the next clip, I would just want to give a huge shout out to my dad for helping me out today, and Radar Auto Body for letting us use the booth and some of the material. And yeah, so like I said, I'll catch you at the next clip. So that's all for today's vlog. Make sure you smash that subscription button down below so you can watch the whole build and every other build that I'm going to have on this channel. And we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.